Hey, it's Aaron, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money with YouTube this year, especially if you're a beginner and you've never done it before, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019, you can check out the strategy just in the link below, all right? But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this with YouTube. I'm just going to jump on my screen right now. There are three main ways that you can make money with YouTube if you're a beginner. The first way is to be qualified for the YouTube Partner Program. The second way is to sell affiliate products. And the third way, which I think is the most difficult, is to get sponsorship deals. But we'll talk about this and the progress that you can make by doing this, okay? So the first thing is, if you want to make ad revenue, which is the way that a lot of big creators make money on YouTube, is you need to qualify for their partner program, all right? So how you qualify is you basically have to do a few things, okay? So the first way is you need to get 1,000 subscribers, right? Plus at least 4,000 valid public watch hours within a last or rolling 12-month period, okay? Now, this I think is the most difficult thing for brand new creators because it's going to take you a while, especially if you start with a channel that's zero, right? It's going to take you quite a long time and quite a lot of videos before you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. But if you're able to do that and you're uploading consistently, then you will qualify for the partner program and then you can start making ad revenue from them. That's how most people make money from the YouTube partner program. All right. Now, a second way that you can do this, and you can kind of shortcut this, and I'm going to show you a website. You can actually buy a YouTube channel. All right. So a lot of people don't know this, but social media, people buy and sell channels all the time, and it's completely legal to do that, right? So if you come to FameSwap, you can just come to browse right here, and you can literally, filter this by different social media websites like YouTube. Okay, so if I click into YouTube right here, you're going to see that there are a lot of people selling their YouTube accounts, right, for not that expensive money. Now, we don't want to buy a big channel. That's not the goal. We just want to buy a monetized channel. And most of the ones that are monetized are anywhere where they have over 1,000 followers, okay? And you can see here $150, $150 is really not too bad, right? $145. So take your time and go through this. If you're willing to spend a little bit of money to buy a channel, it's going to save you a ton of time so that you don't have to waste time doing this. I would probably just buy a pre-monetized channel at FameSwap, and that's a huge shortcut for you if you want to check that out, okay? Now, once you've decided to either start your channel from scratch or you want to build out a channel, let me just show you right here. What you would do is you would log in, okay, and this is my channel right here, and you would come to, it would say something like create a channel, okay? So you would just create a channel. I'm going to click on view my channel right now so you can kind of see the basic setup of how.
Hey, this is Aaron Chen, right? And welcome to my review.
And I hope you don't mind if I make a few mistakes. I'm literally just doing this on the fly with you, right? The first thing that you need to do right now is you would need to edit your banner, okay? So your top banner right here, make sure your banner, represents what your channel is going to be about. And we'll talk about that in a second. You need to decide what you want to create content on, right? Now, to create this banner, there are two different ways. You can either buy it from someone, get someone to design it for you on a website like Fiverr, right? Fiverr.com is a freelance website. You can just come to graphics and design and you can find someone to do it for you, or you can just type out, YouTube banner, right? And you're going to find a bunch of people where you can pay, pretty little money to design a banner for you. $25, $10, $40, right? You get the idea. Some nicer ones, $100, you get the idea, right? But lots of choice right there. Or you can do it for free. You can come to a website called Canva, right? And this is where I like to design a lot of my stuff, and you can do this for free, right? I would just type out here YouTube banner, okay? And then after that, they're just gonna load a whole bunch of different banners you can use, like this one. Like, check this out, right? YouTube banner by Rajesh. There's another one here. There's another one here, there's another one here, and you can literally just click in and you can click on customize the template and make one for yourself. They also have more like this on the bottom, right? Because the banners are long, and you can design one for free. And once you've designed it or you've paid for it, you can upload it on here, right? Make sure you get a nice profile picture. Make sure you describe what your channel is all about right here, right? And then you can even have like an intro video, okay? And that's pretty much all you have to do for the setting up of your channel. Then the next thing that you have to do is you have to decide, all right, I need a content strategy, right? That's really, really important, okay? So what is your channel going to be about? You have to decide that, right? Because you're gonna have to come up with content every single day. So is it going to be a review channel, reviewing literally anything? It could be food, it could be hobbies, it could be business strategies, it could be literally anything that you can review, right? It could be, you know, movies, it could be art, right? It could be books. You can create a channel about animals, specific animals like cats. It could be even be on a specific breed of cat, right? You know, it could be about whatever breed you want, right? Dalmatian, for example, if it was dogs. It could be a top 10 style kind of channel where you talk about the top 10 scariest roller coaster rides in the world, or the top 3 most expensive restaurants, for example, right? There are a lot of channels like that. It could be niche topics like martial arts, right? Calligraphy, so many different things, the Bible, right? It could be a how-to channel, literally teaching people how to do something, right? It could be a business channel, business topics. It could be about celebrity gossip. So you have to pick the content that you would like to upload on a regular basis, but it needs to be in one specific thing, because that's what you're going to be known about for your channel, if that makes sense, right? Then the next thing is you need to go ahead and create the content, all right? So how do you actually create the videos? Well, there are a few different ways you can do it. You can record your screen, right? Like I'm doing right now. You can see this being recorded, and you can use a software called Monosnap in order to do that. So I'm just going to hit to Monosnap. Now this is a paid software, but it's very, very cheap, okay? It's not expensive at all. You can check out the pricing right here. I think it's something like $3 a month. You can record your screen, which is really, really cool, right? Another way that you can do it is you can do it through PowerPoint slides, okay? So you can create slides using PowerPoint, and then you can use a screen recorder like Monosnap to record your slides, right? You can also use animation software. So, you know, you can just go to Google and Google animation software. You can use cartoon style software. You can use whiteboard style software, right? To create the videos for you, right? Or you can do traditional style, like talking head videos, where you just run around with a camera and you shoot your face like this, and you use a good editor like iMovie, or you know, there are other video editors out there that you can use to cut your video and make it nice, right? So many different ways that you can create content. Or if you want, you can use AI tools, okay? And a really popular AI tool right now that's, you know, pretty cool for you to create YouTube videos is called InVideo AI, if you want to check it out. All right, now this is a paid tool, obviously, but this can create videos from scratch, just from you putting in a paragraph and telling it exactly what to do. I mean, the world has come so far, right? AI is super powerful, okay? Then once you've created your video, and the video should be anywhere from, I would say, a few minutes long, all the way up to 15-20 minutes long if you want. You know, some videos can be pretty long, okay? And then you need to decide on your upload schedule, okay? And what I would say about upload schedule is, honestly, when you're first getting started, more is better than less. Okay, don't think of uploading one video a month, because if you're thinking of uploading one video a month, it's going to take you an extremely long time to, first of all, qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. But even if you did purchase a pre-monetized channel, you know, if you're only uploading once a month, it's going to take you so long to generate, you know, a certain amount of income, okay? So you definitely want to upload more regularly, maybe a few times a week, right? Definitely at least, you know, 1 or 2 times a week, if not every single day. Some people upload twice a day. So you have to decide on your upload schedule based on, you know, your schedule and how much content you can create. But I would say the more money you want to make, definitely through the partner program, through ad revenue, you want to upload longer and quality stuff, okay, if that makes sense. All right, so that is creating content, uploading, making money with the partner program. Let me just show you, you know, a little bit about, you know, how much money I've made with my partner program. I'm going to come to my YouTube studio right here, and I'm literally just going to be transparent and show you, you know, the income that I've generated. Now, I don't focus so much on generating income through the partner program. So if you come to analytics on the left hand side, you can click on revenue on the top, okay? And just understand that with the partner program, right? Once you have qualified, you need to sign up with Google AdSense and connect your Google AdSense account with your YouTube account in order for you to get paid, okay? So that's important, right? So you can see right here about 1,200 $241, right? I didn't monetize my channel that long ago. It's only been monetized since, about 6 months ago, 6 or 7 months ago. And it's ramping up. I'm doing about $1,000 a month right now. But this is not the main way that I generate income, okay? Which I'm going to share with you in a second. And which is why YouTube is cool, because there's so many ways to make money with YouTube. It's not just through ad revenue. Now, ad revenue is nice, and you can have multiple channels that are helping you drive ad revenue. And this is real money coming in, which is really, really cool, right? But again, this is not the main way that I make money with YouTube, okay? And I'm going to show you some cool strategies. So that's the first way, right? YouTube Partner Program. A lot of people make money with the YouTube Partner Program. There are very few social media websites that will pay through ad revenue. TikTok is another one, but it's really only these two, which is why YouTube is still the 600-pound gorilla and can help you earn a lot of money if you're consistent, right? Now, the second way to do it is to sell affiliate products, okay? So you can sell your own products through your YouTube videos, or you can sell other people's products if you want to save a bit of time, right? Let me just show you, okay? So if I jump onto, this lady right here, Rose Han, she's huge, right? Almost 1 million followers. You can see the 823,000 subscribers, right? And if you come to one of her videos, and a lot of big creators do the same thing, okay? They will basically show you a way to sort of get in touch with them, right? And it's, usually through some sort of course or newsletter or something like this. If you click here, this will probably lead into Rose's capture page, okay? So I'm just gonna click on here to see what she's done, right? And there's probably a way for you to opt in. You can see right there, right? So that's her, and you can opt in right there. You can sign up, and you're probably going to start receiving emails from Rose, all right? And then she'll probably start recommending you some of her products, or she will recommend other people's products, okay? Now, you can make a lot of money this way, because imagine this. Rose is generating, this video alone has 153,000 views on this video, right? At the end of her video, she'll probably say, click on the link below if you want to get access to my free newsletter, right? So you can bet your bottom dollar that this video has generated her hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of leads just from that, okay? So people are clicking here, sign up, you enter your first name and your email address. She gets an email lead from you. Her autoresponder takes over. The one that I like to use is GetResponse. By the way, I'm going to leave all my resources below. You can check it out if you want, all right? The page that she's using to build this looks like lead pages. I like to use ClickFunnels, which I'm going to show you in a second, all right? So she uses lead pages. I use ClickFunnels. It's pretty much the same thing. You can use any page builder to build a simple website like this. Look at this, super simple, right? And then you opt in. GetResponse takes over. It starts to send you emails, and then she recommends affiliate products. You purchase, she makes a commission. Very, very simple, all right? Now, where do you find affiliate products if you don't want to create your own? Well, you just go to Google and you type out top affiliate networks, okay? Top affiliate networks, and you're going to see a whole bunch here. ClickBank, ShareASale, Rakuten, Impact, Awin, CJ Affiliate, AvantGate, Shopify, Amazon Associates. So if we just go back to Rose's channel right here, you can see that she's got a whole bunch of Amazon books that she recommends. Okay, now where did she get these links from? Well, she got them from the Amazon Associates affiliate program. Now, if you come back here, see that Amazon Associates affiliate program is one of the affiliate networks that I found on Google. Okay, and you can sign up for it and you can recommend products. Now, I don't like recommending Amazon products because the commissions are so low. It's only 3 to 5% commissions. It's very difficult to make money that way, but if you want to, you can. And if you want to recommend books, you can always do that with Amazon. But I like some of these other ones right here, like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale, Rakuten. Some of these pay a lot higher, like the Fiverr, even the Fiverr affiliate program pays a lot more than the Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is known to pay super duper low commissions, okay? So you would have to generate, hundreds of thousands of views like Rose in order to make a bit of money from there. So just be careful on the affiliate program that you pick. Make sure the commission rates are higher. Shoot for anything above 20-30% is good, right? Not 3 to 5%. That's how you stay broke, okay? So that's one of the ways, all right? And you can just, I'm just going to show you right here. This is, one of my pages. So Rose's, kind of looks like this. Mine looks a little bit like this. I use a piece of software called ClickFunnels to design something like this. I capture emails and then I recommend them my stuff. And let me just show you one of the products that I promote, just one, okay? So this is ClickFunnels. It's a page builder that I use to build out my pages, right? I've earned over $100,000 with this. You can see my name right there. $131,000.54 that I've made through their affiliate program selling affiliate products. Okay, so one of the ways that I make money is through ad revenue right here, right through the YouTube partner program. But a lot of my income I generate is through selling affiliate products. All right, so I make multiple 5 figures every single month selling different affiliate products. I don't just sell ClickFunnels. I sell other software, I sell trainings, I sell tools, I sell my own digital products as well, my own trainings that teach people affiliate marketing, right? So these are multiple ways to generate income. Okay, so the first one, YouTube partner program, like I mentioned. The second one, actually dropping your links in the description box below. You can capture leads or you can leave your affiliate links right there. These are some of the 2 top ways I would say to make money with YouTube this year as a beginner. Now the last way is something called sponsorship deals. All right, now this is a little bit more difficult because you need a big channel in order to get sponsorship deals. But what's going to happen naturally is once you start having a big YouTube channel, people will just naturally reach out to you. You don't even have to do any work, honestly, right? Because people will notice you and they'll be like, wow, if you're getting so many views on your channel or you've got this many followers, I want to do some sort of JV promotion and advertise on your video, on your channel. How much do you charge for doing that? And you can basically give them your rate card. Okay, you can even search on YouTube or Google for information about how much you should charge people to do a sponsorship deal. And then what you would do is you would basically record a little snippet for them in your video and stick it somewhere inside your video. Sometimes it's at the front, sometimes it's in the middle, sometimes it's at the end of the video, and they'll pay you however much you decided on. It could be $500, it could be $1,000, it could be $5,000 for a video, depending on how big your channel is, okay? And you decide on your rate card. So these are the 3 different ways that you can make money with YouTube this year as a beginner, okay? I would recommend doing all 3. Don't just do one of them, because if you just rely on the YouTube partner program, which is being paid by ad revenue, it's going to take you a very, very, very long time to build up significant income. What you want to do in the meantime is sell your own products or sell affiliate products, which is the easier thing to do. And that's how you can generate a lot of income. And then once you get big, you can do some sponsorship deals as well. And when the 3 of them come together, this is how you can seriously generate a lot of money with YouTube, even if you're a beginner. Now, the important thing to remember is you need to be consistent, okay? So with the upload schedule right here, remember, more is less. Sorry, more is better than less, okay? You want to make sure that you're doing this consistently. Otherwise, you're not going to generate that much income with YouTube. YouTube's a very, very powerful platform. It's a great platform. It changed my life, and it can change yours too. But you have to make sure that you're doing it right consistently and you're putting the right amount of effort into it as well, okay? Let me know if you enjoyed this video today. Go ahead and start your YouTube channel. I highly recommend it, right? Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you always want to learn new ways to generate income online. That's the content that I create, all right? And if you're like, Aaron, this is awesome stuff. How do I, get more training from you? If you want to learn exactly how I generate 5 figures a month, this is the exact strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. Go ahead and click the link below and I'll share with you in that strategy step by step. I've got a masterclass that will show you how I did this using specifically affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you on the next one. Take care.